Worried about scams and fake tokens lurking in your Phantom wallet? Let's dive into how to verify your tokens are authentic, keeping your crypto safe and sound. First things first, open up your Phantom wallet and locate the token you want to verify. Tap on the token to view its details. Pay close attention to the token's name, symbol, and most importantly, the contract address. €. This is the token's unique identifier on the blockchain. Now copy that contract address. We'll need it to cross-reference with a trusted source. Head over to a reputable Solana blockchain explorer like Solscan or Solana. Paste the contract address you just copied into the search bar and hit enter. The explorer will display detailed information about the token. Compare the token's information here, particularly the official website and any social media links, against what you already know. Look for a verified badge. €. This means the platform has confirmed the token's legitimacy. Finally, a word of caution. Even if a token seems legitimate, always exercise extreme caution when connecting your wallet to new or unfamiliar websites. Double-check the website address and be wary of any platforms asking for excessive permissions. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce your risk and keep your Phantom wallet €, and your crypto €, safe and secure.